Dear viewers, welcome to another very helpful video by Seekhty. As Facebook has started competing YouTube by adding Facebook Watch with monetization and in-stream ads, the competition of Facebook Watch has also increased. So, search engine optimization for your Facebook videos is equally important as it is on YouTube in order to stand out in competition. And remember that people who initially capture audience on new platforms ultimately take unmatchable lead on content creators who join a platform later. So it is a good time to take advantage of Facebook Watch platform. Therefore, in today's video, I will show you how to add video thumbnail for your Facebook page videos and how to add tags as well as proper video title. So let's start. I have opened my Facebook page named Zara and Family. I have a cooking channel on YouTube with same name. This is timeline of my Facebook page and here is a video without video thumbnail, SEO title and tags. The important thing is to learn here that you cannot do Facebook video SEO on phone so far. You need to open your page on laptop or desktop computer. Now what we have to do is to click on these three dots on our video post. Click on edit post. It is showing the video description I wrote when I posted video on my page. Scroll down to the video, you will see video options button on video. Click on it. Now I am going to copy paste my video title and tags from YouTube Studio to save time. You have to type comma or press enter after adding tags, otherwise they will not be saved. Let us add the same video thumbnail from our YouTube channel. When you are done, click save. Click save again. Our Facebook video has been optimized for better appearance in Facebook search results. Now you can see how Facebook videos with thumbnail clearly look prominent on your page. In next video, I will show you how to create Facebook Reels from your videos, just like creating YouTube Shorts from your YouTube channel videos. Please like the video and subscribe my channel for more useful stuff. Thanks for watching this video.